Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Kesorkar Jela Bakmi Ketanat Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Ba Methodius Dkhar Ula pentip bola pak dak jingtho syak Sorkar Pedeng bahkan penkiu sanpau du nrupau gujing supply gas Meghalaya. Da ka bakadeu bagi kam jingok kai perthei shania haga jingdon kam ya gas bat kum juru ki pat nok snong haga jing karan bagila petai kubor hak arpun tarik ulber arja apun riu ba Methodius ulaong ba kamdan setia ga jingduna hak bidai ga gas bagi Paidbah pendan kam ndai ga jingduna kadai commercial cylinder ba pendan kam ki dukan ki hotel bat kiwe ki slam trai kam ki bahe.
Regarding this LPG, as we have already given a press conference last week. So there are two things. One is the LPG domestic use and LPG commercial use. So in LPG domestic use, as of now, there is no shortage. I would still again tell that there is no shortage, but yes, there is no surplus as well. In the normal time, we have some surplus. Whatever the distributor demand, we are getting. But as of now, we don't have the surplus, but we are not having shortage as well. We have sufficient, but it's not as the normal time when we have surplus. So people might find a little bit inconvenience sometime in getting their requirement, because in normal time, whatever you demand, you are getting. But now there's some restriction, and there is some system also that been putting on place that you'll be getting your cylinder as per the routine only. This is done so that you to streamline and so that there will be no chaos and there will be no excess supply to a particular person or to a particular person or to a particular individual. In the commercial cylinder, it's true that there is some shortage, and this is because of the cap supply that we are having. Now, what the central government is doing, like we have also explained last time regarding the cap supply. Now, let's say that if we need 100 number of cylinders, so we are getting 100. But as of now, we have a cap supply of 20%. So previously, if there is 100 requirement, now we will be getting say 20% out of it. So basically, there will be some shortage, like we have seen. There is some shortage in the commercial cylinder. So regarding this cap supply that have been put in place by the Home Ministry from our department, and then my side, I have personally write a letter to our union minister to increase the cap supply that they have given to the state. So lately, like yesterday, the day before yesterday, yesterday also, we are getting better supply in terms of this commercial cylinder. But yes, we are not getting that supply that we normally get all in the normal time. But the situation has improved a little bit in the commercial supply and then as well as in the domestic supply as well. I will not have with me right now, but the previous order that was given was there's a 20% gap. That would mean if there is 100, like previously if there is a requirement of 100, that means they will supply 20%. So we have asked to increase this since Meghalaya is a tourist, it's a tourist place, and since Meghalaya is one of the place that. Like what you have mentioned, it's a lot of tourists, and then we are also depending on the tourism industry and the hotel industry. So with that same argument only, we have given to the center to reconsider about this cap supply to increase the cap in supply in Meghalaya. So from 20% maybe up to 50 or 60%. But exactly that that percentage I don't have with me. All right, you see, that is understandable. Because all this while, like what I said, we have a surplus supply. So whatever they demand, like the hotels or the restaurant, whatever they demand, they are getting. In fact, they are getting more than whatever they need. But at this point of time, because of the capped supply that we are having, of the 20% that we are having, so some of the hotels, some of the restaurants, they are facing some shortage. And like what I said, that we have already right from my side also, and then from the department also, we have written to the union minister, and as of now we are getting a little bit more than whatever the previous supply that we are getting. So we are hopeful that we will be able to to supply more this time than the comparatively to the 2-3 weeks before. And like all this while also, since since the situation has not arisen, so that the regulation and the system putting the thing in place, that was not ready. But as of now, like, from the even from the IOCL also, they have put some vigilant team, and then from the DC, and then we also from here we have we have a constituted two committee. One is the committee head by the chief secretary himself, and in the district there's a committee head by the district administration. So these committee are also supervising, so that there is no no hoarding or black marketing as such. We are trying to control that at the district level and at the field level, and then at the state level as well. So but as of now, like what we said, there may be still some there will be some shortage to the restaurant and to the restaurant or to the hotels, but the situation is a little bit improving than in the last 2-3 weeks. And whatever the action has been taken from our side, also from my side personally, and then from the department also, requesting the center to increase the the supply of the LPG.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियर बॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.